bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Now you'll be wondering what I'm saying. It's really important that nowadays, when everything is like a global village, everyone is coming closer. We need to have certain common medium of exchange of ideas. So that medium can be a foreign language. Now why foreign language? Nowadays, in this competitive world, especially in a complex country like India, where everyone is running after having a safe and secure future, a perfect career, we need to have some extra add-ons. Now one of those best add-ons can be having a foreign language. How can a foreign language be helpful? It helps you to get placed very easily. And of course, you can get to know the other culture very well. It's very easy to learn the foreign language when the environment around is created. Now to create the environment, it's not always necessary that the translations are required. Let's see, if I just say bonjour, you may not understand. But if I wave my hand and say bonjour, you will understand that I'm saying hi or I'm wishing something. Bonjour, good morning or good day in French. Let's see some other few words also. This is a very basic first expression that we'll be using. Bonjour, bonjour. Along with that, we can also use salut. It's very informal. You can see the way I'm waving my hands. Bonjour, you can wave it formally or informally. But specifically when I say salut, I'm waving it in a different way, which means hi. Comment ça va? Je vais bien, merci. Ça va bien? Comment vas-tu? Je vais bien, merci. What all am I talking? No answer. But then, let's try to see how it works. Comment vas-tu? How are you doing? Ça va. Very well. Ça va, merci. Merci is thank you. Au revoir, which means bye. Now let's see what all we looked into. We looked into bonjour. We looked into salut. We also looked into comment ça va. Ça va bien. Merci, au revoir. See, we looked into almost 5 to 6 different words of French language in less than 2 minutes. It is fun, it's worth learning and it's enjoyment. Let's look into few other words. Try to guess what I am trying to say. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. No clue? Yes. Let me try the other way. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Guessed it? Yes. These are numbers. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. If you are already memorizing it, let me go further. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Let's repeat it once more. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. These are the numbers in French. Bon voyage. Bon voyage. Bon voyage. You'll be hearing these or you'll be seeing these boards at the airports. You will be seeing greeting cards with Bon voyage written on it. What is Bon voyage? Bon voyage is happy journey. You can greet someone Bon voyage in French. Why French? Well, you can make a career with French or it can be an add-on to your resume. You can also have fun learning during your summer break. What more? If you want to travel to France or any other French-speaking countries, it can be very helpful. Maybe if you speak good French, you can get a chocolate for free. Let's just see how. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. These are 7 days of the week. If we memorize these, we can use it when we are traveling outside. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, dimanche. We know the numbers, we also know the 7 days of the week, we know how to do the pleasant greetings. These things can be very helpful and it can be fun. I wish you all the best and hope that you have fun learning French. Au revoir.